When you travel with GLA, you get the chance to grow and develop in an area you're interested in. Every program is centered around a specific theme that connects the service projects, adventure activities, learning activities, and guest speakers together. On a GLA Outdoor Adventure program, you may navigate remote mountain trails, raft wild rivers, or camp under the stars. Embrace the challenge of pushing beyond your comfort zone while connecting with local communities and environments through hands-on service learning. Explore diverse ecosystems and epic landscapes, experiencing the adventure and wonder of the natural world. If you're looking for an even deeper dive, GLA offers a limited selection of 21-day travel internships for students who want to take their learning experience to the next level. Our program themes are meant for self-discovery and the development of core learning objectives. Make an impact in a way that's important to you. Have questions? Visit us at experiencegla.com/themes.